In this video, I will walk you through on how to upload or save Word document file, okay, on OneDrive from an iPhone. Note, once this file is uploaded on OneDrive to the mobile app, it can be found across other devices. Maybe you are using desktop app. Once you log into the desktop app, you'll see it. Or you're using your PC to log into the OneDrive on the cloud. You will still see the file. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to tap on your OneDrive app, okay, that is installed on your iPhone, and then start the rest of the processes. As the OneDrive opens, the application opens. If you are not logged in, please log in with your email address and password, okay? Then the next step is to upload the documents in this case. So tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. Then select upload. Then you are given some options. Select browse because this will open the files app of your iPhone automatically. Now we are taken to a folder on my iPhone location, but that's not where the file is. So once you know the location where the file is, tap there. Okay, you'll be taken there. So here I will tap on my iPhone, which is at the top left. On tapping on my iPhone, I'm shown some files here. If that is not the location where your document is, you tap on browse. But in this case, my Word document is in this location. So I will scroll to get to the Word file that I want to upload on this location, on the OneDrive. If I'm not finding it, I can use the .doc. Okay, type into the search, tap into the search, and then type .doc or docs. Okay, then this will bring up some doc files that are available in that location. All right, so tap on one of them, which is the file you want to upload on OneDrive. So here, let's say essay complete. That's what I want to upload there, and it's uploading, and that is done. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people to see. Thank you and see you some other time.